everyone, I'm Caitlin from Wander and Grow, and I'm just sitting on the patio right now, clipping some garlic that I've cured. So it's cured for about, I don't know, a week or so, maybe two, and it's nice and crumbly on the outside edges. So I'm gonna just clip the long ends and store them in my bin inside. But I thought I would pop on and talk about um, farm a farm stand. So I know you guys, if you watch any of these videos, I know some of them get watched, some of them don't, but I recently opened a farm stand. I'm super excited about it still. It's been like a week. I made $7. And just the fact that someone stopped by something that sits in my yard and spent their money makes me really, really excited. So I am going to put a couple bundles of garlic out there for $1, just hanging. I don't know how much you can get them at the supermarket, maybe $2.30 or something like that. So mine will just be $1. But I've watched a lot of videos on farm stands, and I think they go pretty hand in hand with homesteading. And I just thought that I'd put my opinion out there too. And a lot of people say that when you start a farm stand, you should grow what people in your area want to buy. And I agree with that to a certain extent, but like I said, I think homesteading goes with having a farm stand. Like, you grow the stuff for you and you have the extra that your family might not consume. It might go bad. You're not able to preserve it, or if you are, there's so much that you're preserving. So you sell it at a farm stand. In my case, that's what it is for me. I feel like a lot of people give advice on YouTube videos and stuff like that saying, grow what people want to buy. And I kind of disagree. And I think that you should grow what your family eats. I think you should grow what you like to watch grow. And the extras that you have, in my case, is garlic. I know I'm going to put more in the ground later this year, and I still have some left over from last year. So I had a pretty good harvest. I'm going to put some out there at the farm stand. And hopefully make back my seed money. And that's what it is for me. My farm stand is not meant to supplement income. It's not meant to, feed all of my neighbors. It's just meant for me, for people to stop by and get what they might need at a cheaper price that's healthier for them, and also make up my seed costs, because I'm on well water, so it's pretty free. My time, I enjoy doing all of this, so I feel like my time is free, and all I want to do is make up what this cost me to put in the ground, which is, I think it took 2 cloves of garlic to make all of this, maybe a little more. But either way, like, find what works for you. It kind of bothers me that people say, oh, you need to grow this. And I've thought about that too. I've thought about, oh, I need to grow this type of vegetable because it's what will sell in my area. But none of us eat that. So why? Why do that? If that's what you're in it for, if you're in it for the money, if you're in it to help you supplement income, okay. But if you're in it because you're a homesteader and you have extra, you're going to kill yourself making things for other people, and it's not going to benefit you in any way. So find your why and go from there. If you're doing it, I think, with like a pure heart and for you and your family, it's going to be successful anyways. You'll make $7 and you'll be excited about it. But if you're growing things that you won't eat based off what you think people want to buy and they don't buy it, it's so discouraging. Coming from someone who's watched people do that, that happen to my friends, to some of my family, that have tried to, make and sell things. Watch that happen to people at craft sales. Like, it's tough putting your heart and soul into something and then people coming by and not buying it. So do it for you and do it for your family and see where it takes you. So yeah, that's just my humble, opinion that nobody cares about. So if you are watching farm stand videos and you're wondering what you should sell at your farm stand and how to get it up and running, just know that you should do it for you. You should grow what makes you happy, grow what you like to eat, grow what you like to see in your garden, and anything extra that you feel like you can't preserve or will go bad without you consuming all of it because you've had such a bountiful harvest, that's what you put at your farm stand. Do it for you. For instance, carrots last week, I think I harvested, I don't even know how many pounds of carrots. I preserved like quarts and quarts of them. I froze them, blanched them and froze them. And I think we ate carrots every day that week, and I still had leftover carrots, so I sold a couple pounds of them. That was it. Less I had to preserve. All right, that's my opinion. And if you hate it, comment below. If you have a difference of opinion, also comment below. And apparently I'm supposed to be saying like and subscribe, so do that too, because algorithms and stuff, that's what my husband says.